Hello students of class 9. Today our topic is logarithm. Clear? What is that? Now if first I am writing logarithm. If there is this equation 2 to the power x equals to 8, then solve for x. So what you can do? By the laws of indices, 2 to the power x means 8 means 2 cube. Clear? Now base same, so we can equate the power. So we have got the value of x, that is 3. But if the equation is this type, 2 to the power x equals to 7, then solve for x. How we can do? This side too we can't bring base as 2. Clear? So we have to solve this, we have to take the help of log. Clear? So from here we can write x equals to log 7 to the base 2. What is this? It is called base. Clear? So x equals to log 7 to the base 2. So this type of equation, to solve this type of equation, we have to take the help of log. Clear? And in case there are some properties of log, you will get in your board book, page number 336. That is value of log 1, 0. Value of log 10, 1. When there is multiplication, then it will be added. When there is division, it will be subtracted. Clear? You will open your page 336, you will get the properties. And now I am starting. Exercise 21. Clear? So what is log? If this type of equation is there, we can't bring both sides same base, then we have, for solving of this unknown variable, we have to take the help of log. And log 7, this is called to the base 2. Here 2, there may be 10, there may be a, there may be b, anything. Exercise 21. Evaluate. Evaluate means find the value of this. Log 17. How will tell log 1728 to the base 2 root over 3. Clear? Now see, there is base is 2 root over 3 and the number is 1728. So we will factorize 1728. Let's see. Finding the LCM by 2. $59 is coming. 108, sorry. I'm doing 52. There is no space. $27 I am doing here. Okay, rest of the parts. 3933. So see how many 2's we can pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 3, 3. Okay. So this equal to, we can write, see, I will explain. First I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Power is 6. Clear? And there is that is 3 3 times, 3 coming, 3 times cube. So to bring here, okay, I am writing here, I have got 3 cube. So I have to make here 6. So what I can do, here the power I will multiply by 2, at the same time I will divide by 2. Then it is becoming 6, 3 to the power 6 by 2, 6, 3 to the power 1 by 2 means root over 3. So this equals to, we can write root over 3 to the power 6. Okay. Then this part you have not to show, just I have explained. So 2 root, there is root over 3, 2 root over 3 to the power 6. Now by the property of log, you will see that is the power, it will come beside log here. So this is 2 root over 3, base also 2 root over 3. Now this and this same, so its value is 1. Always its value is 1. So after that we can write 6 into 1, that means 6. This is my answer. Clear? In this way you have to do. I am doing another evaluation. In online class I have taught you, now I am doing again. Suppose there is this number 3, log 216 to the base root 6. So in previous sum I have told you that here I have to bring root 6 to the power something. Clear? Then 216 by 2 I am doing. No, 2 ones are 2, 0 will come. Okay, wait. Okay, there is 6, so directly by 6 also I can do 6. If I divide, I know that I have to bring a root 6. So directly by 6 I have divided. 216 means 36, 6. So it is coming 6 cube. But I have to bring root over 6. Clear? So what I will do? Here power I will multiply by 2. At the same time I will divide by 2. So it is coming root over 6 to the power 6. Clear? So here we can write log base root 6 and here root over 6 to the power 6. Again that will come, or that is power, it will come beside log. This and this same, so by the property of log its value is 1, so it is also 1. So in this way you will do. Clear? So in next video we will get next part.